बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। एमएस जनरल नॉलेज पेपर जो आज ही हुआ है, ऑब्जेक्टिव पार्ट 2020 का, वो हम डिस्कस करते हैं। उसमें जो एमसीक्यूज़ आए हैं आज वो इस तरह हैं कि द शंदूर पास कनेक्ट चित्राल विद गिलगित। Karakoram Highway between Pakistan and China was completed in 1979 and it was not given in the options. Tomb of Khwaja Farid is in Kot Mittan. Nanga Parbat is the highest peak of Himalaya. River Kabul joins Indus River near Attock. The chairman of National Economic Council is Prime Minister, who was the first Muslim governor of Punjab, Abdul Rab Nishtar. Overall it was second. Overall ये जो है was second, लेकिन जो मुस्लिम गवर्नर अगर देखा जाए तो ये फर्स्ट थे। एक जो है वो इंग्लिश मैन था जो कि फ़र्स्ट नंबर पे ओवरऑल जो है वो गवर्नर था पंजाब का। ऑब्जेक्टिव रेजोल्यूशन वाज प्रेजेंटेड इन द कंस्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली ऑन 12 मार्च 1949। द ओनली वाइस प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ पाकिस्तान वाज, पाकिस्तान में सिर्फ अभी तक की हिस्ट्री में एक ही वाइस प्रेसिडेंट था, उसका नाम था नूरुल अमीन। वट इज़ द मिनिमम एज ऑफ सेनेट अंडर 1973 कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन? 30 years. Next, term of office of Election Commissioner of Pakistan, 5 years. On the advice of Prime Minister and Chief Minister, President and Governor are bound to dissolve the assemblies within 48 hours. The only Muslim woman who attended round table conference was Begum Jahan Ara Shah Nawaz. The British sold the Kashmir to Gulab Singh Dogra under the Treaty of Amritsar. Dr. Abdus Salam, the first Nobel Prize recipient of Pakistan, got his PhD degree from Cambridge University. Next, Haba Khatoon is famous poetess of which language? Kashmiri language. Renowned Urdu writer Mushtaq Ahmed Yusufi was by profession publisher. Lowri Pass connects Dir with Chitral. Dr. Atfau, the Mother Teresa of Pakistan, campaigned against which disease? Leprosy. Leprosy was the disease against which Dr. Ruth Fau campaigned in Pakistan. United Nations General Assembly was declared the decade 2021 to 2030 as ecosystem restoration. Identify the most benefited of Pakistan because of GPS plus dusty free access to European Union textile and garments. Title of Ambassador of Hindu-Muslim Unity was given to Quaid-e-Azam by Sarojini Naidu. The Quaid-e-Azam resigned from the membership of Imperial Legislative Council on account of Rowlatt Act. Wealth of Nations is written by Adam Smith. Statue of Liberty was given to USA by France. Watergate scandal is related to spying. The Article 3 of Sustainable Development Goals SDGs of UN United Nations relates health. The Treaty of Versailles settled peace in Europe. International Monetary Fund was created right after Bretton Woods Conference. China have claimed on part of Indian province of AP, Arunachal Pradesh. The political term shadow cabinet stands for a group of specialized city in the official opposition party. Next, deal of the century presented by US President Donald Trump related to Palestine issue. The lengthiest written constitution of the world is Indian Constitution. The word Rex stands for the king. Ho Chi Minh was leader of Vietnam. Continental self limits of Pakistan is 350 nautical miles. Soviet Union was replaced by Russia Federation in December 1991. Settlement of border dispute and signing of boundary agreement with China proved a milestone in the history of Sino-Pak relations. Which of the following diplomats rendered his services to finalize the agreement? Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. Kyoto Protocol came into force in 2005. Pakistan installed her first nuclear power station in Karachi with the cooperation of Canada. Quran and Sunnah are declared the supreme law of Pakistan under the Amendment 15. It was not given. Kapas Ka Phool is a book and it is written by Ahmad Nadeem Qasmi. Hugo Chavez was leader of Venezuela. The Bolshevik Revolution took place in 1917. Jahangir Khan won squash championship for 10 times. British Open. In 2018, German Chancellor Angela Merkel was sworn in for 4 times. The World Water Day is celebrated every year on 22nd March. India's current president is Ram Nath Kovind, who was Pakistan's first ambassador to USA. Abdul Hassan Isfani. Jabir bin Hayyan is famous for his work on chemistry. The Pakistani scientist who worked under Albert Einstein is Muhammad Raziuddin Siddiqui. India represents what percentage of South Asian population? 70%. When was sui gas first discovered in Pakistan? 1952. Oceans cover how much of Earth's surface? 70%. How many members are there in the Security Council? 15. SEPTA is the trade agreement by SAARC nations. Which one is the brightest planet in the solar system? Venus. What is the total length of coastline of Pakistan? 1046 kilometer. Dome of Rock is located in Jerusalem. How many countries are members of SARC? 7. How many official working languages are recognized by United Nations? 5. The second largest desert of world is Arabian Desert. Which of the following countries has no boundary with Syria? Iran. Sindh was separated from Bombay in 1937. Vasco da Gama was the native of Portugal. Portugal. The largest earth-filled dam of the world is Tarbela Dam. Arab Spring movement of Middle East started from which country? Tunis. Timbuktu is the famous city of Mali. 3. George's Dam is located in China. Approximately what fraction of human genome encodes protein? 2%. In the plant cells, which reactions occur in the stroma of the chloroplast? Calvin cycle. Stimulus intensity is detected in brain by the number of action potentials per second. Cirrhosis is the famous disease that affects which organ? Liver. According to science, Earth is a dash years old, 4.5 billion years old. Dash makes a 14 to 17% of the skeleton, that is phosphorus. The vitamin that controls the browning in fruits by the help of enzymes is vitamin C. The energy value of fats and oils is dash times more than carbohydrates and proteins. 2.25 times more than carbohydrates and proteins. The milk need to be heated after complete pasteurization at 161 degree Fahrenheit for 15 seconds. 161 degree Fahrenheit for 15 seconds. Vitamin dash is produced by body and is not found in fruits and vegetables, that is vitamin B12. Average age of A and B is 30 years, that of B and C is 32 years, and average age of C and A is 34 years. Average age of C is 36 years. In an examination, 1100 boys and 900 girls appeared. 50% of the boys and 40% of the girls passed. The fail percentage is 18%. Complete the sequence 6, 11. So ये ऊपर नीचे हो गया. 45.5% of the fail percentage in 82 and 83rd है, इसमें आएगा 18. Consider the word segregation. Choose the word below that reveals the opposite meaning. Union. सेग्रीगेशन का मतलब यूनियन के ऑपोजिट है। सेग्रीगेशन का मतलब होता है चीज़ों को सेपरेट करना, सेग्रीगेट करना। द स्क्वायर ऑफ स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन इज कॉल्ड वेरियंस। अगेन वंस अगेन मैं बता दूं कि जो 80 है यहाँ पर, उसका आंसर 45.5% है फेल परसेंटेज, जो कि 83rd के आंसर में लिखी हुई है। और जो 83rd है जो सीक्वेंस है उसका आंसर 18 है, वो 82nd के आंसर में लिखी हुई है। नेक्स्ट, रॉक्स दैट कंटेन फॉसिल्स, सेडिमेंट्री रॉक्स। डिप्लीशन ऑफ ओजोन लेयर इज कॉज्ड ड्यू टू फ्रियोन्स। Which of the following can be recycled many times? Plastic. Blank DVDs on which data can be erased and rewritten are identified as DVD plus RW. Who gave the idea to combine the internet with the hypertext concept? Tim Berners-Lee. The first mechanical calculating machine was invented by Blaise Pascal. There are two different ways to insert content from one application to another, that is embedding and importing. What is the name of web page address? Select the following. URL. The function is a dash which can calculate the values given in the specific order. Predefined formula. Function is a predefined formula which can calculate the values given in the specific order. After the US, the largest number of Nobel laureates are from United Kingdom. Operation Zarb-e-Azab was underwent in the former Fatah. Azab was the name of sword of Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Study of life in outer space is called exobiology. Which of the following studies the interactions among organisms and their environment? Ecology. Wakhan corridor is located to the dash of Pakistan. Wakhan corridor is located to the north of Pakistan.